Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Techno Talks here. So today I'm going to be unboxing the Echo Dot 3rd generation, so the newest one that they have so far. So I got this for a really nice deal on Amazon. There was a good deal going on and I just decided to buy it. I already have a Google Home. I might do a comparison between these, but today I'm going to be unboxing this. So let's go on with it. Pretty nice packaging, simple, nothing too much, just gives you all the things that you can use with this. And then just some Alexa things. Okay, so Alexa, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, audio line in, out. So I think you can plug in an aux cable in this. You can't do that on the Google Home Minis. So far field voice control. Okay, that's pretty nice, I guess. So let's open this up. Just we open it from here, like that. Okay, put that to the side. Okay, so how do we open this now? Need to figure that out. Okay. So here we have the Echo Dot right here. Okay, I'm gonna put that to the side. Let's check out what else is in this box. Okay, so I guess we have some instructions, stuff like that. Really don't need to read those. We have another section here with the cable. Okay, so this is a proprietary cable for it. So nothing USB-C or micro USB, proprietary cable just for this. If I can manage to take this out, let's just put this to the side. I'm not sure how many watts this is. Oh, okay, 15 watt. So that's pretty good. Okay, so we have the Echo Dot here. Okay, so the fabric around it feels pretty nice. Let me take this wrapper off. Okay, so it's like a plastic on the bottom, and the top is a little different. It's a harder plastic. Then so these are all buttons. You can click all the buttons. You're able to click them. So I'm pretty sure that's where the charger goes, and there's an aux cable. That's pretty nice. On my Google Home Mini, I don't have that, and it sometimes gets annoying. So the fabric around it overall feels pretty nice. Pretty heavy. So it will not slide off your desk with the plastic under it. So it's like a silicone, I'm pretty sure. Not really sure, but it will not slide off. So I'm putting some force, and my table's shaking right now. But this will not slide off. So overall design seems pretty nice. Simple, but looks pretty clean. I will test this out against the Google Home in a future video. But overall packaging and everything, it's pretty nice. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to like this a lot. So for the deal that I got it for, it's really good. And that's about it for this unboxing. Nothing too much in the box, just the charger and the Echo Dot. So that's about it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.